Welcome to Moon Mind Temple. As you prepare to unwind for the night, find a position that feels restful. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Your journey into deep and restorative sleep begins not with effort but with release. Breathe slowly. Inhale peace, exhale the burdens of the day. Let your body grow heavier, your mind softer. Tonight, we'll gently explore timeless Buddhist wisdom guidance passed down through centuries to help quiet the restless mind and nurture a heart at ease. These ancient teachings endure because they speak to a universal longing, our desire for balance, for serenity, for the kind of peace that isn't shaken by circumstance. Often, our thoughts swirl the most just as we seek rest, memories of the past, worries about tomorrow. But rest doesn't come from solving everything before sleep. It comes from being fully present, right here, right now. Buddhism teaches that true peace isn't found by rearranging the outside world, it begins within. In stillness. In awareness. In acceptance. So tonight, as we walk through these teachings together, there is nothing you need to do. Just listen. Just breathe. Just be. Section: Letting Go of the Inner Critic. In the silence of this moment, imagine your awareness as open and vast as the sky. Thoughts may pass like drifting clouds, but you remain the steady presence behind them. This is the heart of mindfulness, observing without clinging, allowing without reacting. The Buddha taught that our pain often comes not from life's events, but from our resistance to them. When we soften that resistance, space opens for healing, for clarity, and for rest. Begin with compassion for yourself. So many of us speak to ourselves in ways we'd never speak to someone we love. We repeat harsh judgments, replay regrets, and demand perfection. But Buddhist wisdom invites us to offer ourselves the same gentle care we might give a child or a dear friend. Let that kindness rise within you now. As you settle in, speak inwardly with tenderness. I am doing my best. I am worthy of love. I allow myself to rest. Self-compassion isn't about ignoring growth, it's about nurturing it. Just as a flower blooms under sunlight, we flourish when we're met with gentleness, not harshness. So tonight, let go of fixing. Let go of striving. Simply rest in your own worthiness. Section: Honoring the body as a sacred vessel. Your body is not just a machine, it is a sacred vessel that carries your spirit through this life. Buddhism reminds us to honor this vessel not for its perfection, but for its presence. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you. Notice the rhythm of your breath, the warmth in your limbs. Each breath is a gift, an offering of life. The Buddha spoke of the body as a temple, deserving of care and reverence. When we nourish it with rest, stillness, and mindfulness, we create harmony within. As you drift toward sleep, feel a quiet appreciation for all your body does, how it walks, feels, holds, experiences. This gratitude connects us to the sacredness of being alive. Section: The Middle Path and Releasing Attachment. Life naturally pulls us toward goals and ambitions. But the middle path, as taught by the Buddha, offers a wise approach. We can set goals that inspire us, without letting them control us. We can move forward while letting go of attachment to the outcome. As you prepare for sleep, release the need to know exactly how your journey unfolds. Trust that your path is unfolding as it should, step by step, moment by moment. Often, we chase dreams born from others' expectations, not our own truth. Tonight, reflect on what genuinely brings your heart peace, not just praise or recognition, but deep, quiet fulfillment. Section: Embracing Change and Impermanence. Everything changes. Every breath, every thought, every emotion. Like a river, life flows. And peace comes not from resisting the current, but learning how to float within it. Buddhist teachings remind us that impermanence isn't something to fear, it's where possibility is born. As you fall asleep, let change become your teacher. Trust that even uncertainty carries wisdom. The transition from wakefulness to sleep mirrors the teachings of impermanence, each moment softly dissolving into the next. Section: Facing Fear with Gentle Awareness. Many of our deepest resistances come from fear of the unknown, of loss, of not being enough. But fear, too, is impermanent. The Buddha taught that by bringing compassionate awareness to fear, we loosen its grip. So as you lie still, notice any tension or worry. Don't push it away. Just breathe with it. With each exhale, imagine that fear softening, melting, releasing. Section: Cultivating a positive outlook through mindfulness. We may not control our circumstances, but we can train the mind to see clearly, to notice the beauty that remains. Even in hardship, a grateful heart finds abundance. As you rest now, bring to mind a few small blessings from today. Perhaps the softness of your pillow, the sound of laughter, the warmth of a drink. Let appreciation grow within you like a quiet flame. Mindfulness allows us to notice that we are alive, breathing, supported. It teaches us that peace is never far, it lives in the present moment. Section: Joy as a spiritual practice. Joy isn't something we earn. It's something we allow. True joy isn't loud or fleeting, it's the deep sense of rightness we feel when aligned with who we are. Think of what brings you genuine joy, not distraction, but nourishment. Creativity, connection, solitude, service. These moments reveal our spiritual fingerprint. As you rest tonight, commit to welcoming more joy into your life, not as indulgence, but as devotion. Section: The power of gratitude. Finally, let gratitude be your pillow. The Buddha taught that a thankful heart softens the sharp edges of life. It brings light even into shadowed places. So before you sleep, whisper a silent thank you to this day, to your body, to the unseen support all around you. You are part of something vast and loving. You are not alone. Closing. Let go now. The day is done. Nothing more is required. Just rest in the present, in peace, in stillness. This is the wisdom of the awakened heart. Buddhist teachings speak of interbeing, the truth that all things are connected. Just as a wave cannot exist apart from the ocean, you are not separate from life itself. Every breath you take is shared with the trees. Every drop of water in your body has journeyed through clouds, rivers, and oceans. The food that nourished you came from soil, sunlight, and the hands of others. When we realize this, the burden of isolation begins to fade. We belong. Not because we earn it, but because it's already true. As you fall into sleep, let this knowing settle deep in your soul. You are held. You are part of the great unfolding of life. Section: Surrendering control, the peace of trust. Much of our restlessness comes from grasping for control. We think, if only I could fix everything, then I could finally relax. But Buddhism reminds us, letting go is not weakness, it's wisdom. We surrender not because we failed, but because peace lives in trust. As you lie here, give yourself permission to stop striving. Place the worries of tomorrow into the hands of the universe, or the Dharma, or simply the vast mystery. You do not need all the answers tonight. You only need rest. Section: The lamp within, you are already whole. The Buddha said, be a lamp unto yourself. You don't need to become someone else. You don't need to chase the illusion of perfection. All the peace, clarity, and strength you seek is already within you, waiting to be uncovered. Meditation isn't about achieving something new, it's about returning home to what's always been true. So as you rest, imagine a quiet lamp glowing in your heart. This light has never gone out, not through struggle, not through sorrow. It is the light of your true nature, calm, aware, and endlessly kind. Let that light guide you into dreams. Final reflection: sleep is sacred practice. Sleep is not just physical rest, it is sacred surrender. It is a return to source, to stillness, to spaciousness. The night invites us to stop doing and simply be. You have done enough. You are enough. Feel your body releasing now, soft, relaxed, and floating. Feel your mind loosening its grip, thoughts growing quieter, like ripples fading from a still pond. Let the teachings of this night become seeds planted deep in your heart. They will blossom with time in your peace, your patience, your quiet strength. And so, dear listener, drift into sleep with the blessing of the Dharma. May your dreams be serene, your body restored, and your spirit refreshed. You are safe. You are loved. You are at peace. Soft ending music / fade out voice. Thank you for resting with Moon Mind Temple. May all beings be happy. May all beings be safe. May all beings dwell in peace.